Welcome back to the dome, everyone. To continue from where we were yesterday, now all we have left to do is run two wires. That's a 12-2 and a 12-3. A 12-2 for power from here around this way and all the way back to the utility panel. And then the 3 conductor for all those items in the driveway, for that receptacle out there and those lights that need to be switched. Running back the same direction, but then turning the other way when we get here. Instead of going to the panel, we're going to take the same path that we're making for the refrigerant lines to the heat pump out there, to go through the slot that we'll cut in the sidewalk and get back out there to the driveway box. And that will be all of the things that need to go in the outside walls that are preventing us from insulating. Yeah. There's the stuff. What did you do? To Bucky's poor wall.
Well, I'm hunting for the end of the decay. Well, now we're behind the shower.
Yeah, that's what happens behind the shower, all right? What seems to happen behind everyone else's shower, anyway.
Well, apparently there's some critters living in there. Apparently,
And now to the bathtub.
it's a good thing we don't have arachnophobia. And that is behind a bathtub
Yep.
in the adjacent bathroom.
And the battery's dead. I like how they always make sure the wire is wedged against a copper water pipe. There's a much wider space on the other side. Getting better. That's a lot of different pieces of lumber.
And what's with that?
All right, there we go. There's lots of wires, but not too many wires. And we can insulate that. There we have one of these going over here to feed the light again. And I've run these two through the corner here into the bedroom ceiling and all the way across, where right now they wait in the closet for us to finish reframing this area where all this stuff's going to go through. Where the 2 conductor one of these will go that way into the new panel, and the 3 conductor one will go that way and outside under the sidewalk to repower the driveway. We'll cut out this piece of sidewalk. It'll come through here and through a new conduit into the back of a new electrical box to be placed here. Details, details. And so there we are. Pretty much everything is insulated and wired. In the exterior, that is. And Ed has removed the rest of the drywall on the side of the bathrooms here. Unfortunately, the upper part is in better shape than the lower part. But that's why you always open that stuff up, especially on the side of a bathroom. And here, you can easily see the original location of the thermostat now. That's where the wire came down. I just had it pulled around the corner here. There's the original hole. We had moisture and mold and termites. Well, that's what happens when you leave a big hole in the floor and then you get all the wood wet. Then you get termites. So now we can do a better job of repairing that mess. But that'll do for this week. Thanks for joining us again. Remember, if you'd like to contribute to this project, you can do so at fullerdomehome.com, and I'll put that address in the video description. And if you want to make it easier to follow along with our project and be notified when videos go up, you can press the subscribe button and click that bell thingy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you folks next week.